Somewhere in the endless darkness of space, there exist silent monsters that don't chase, don't roar. They simply devour everything, even light. They bend time, twist space, and rewrite the rules of reality itself. They are called black holes. Welcome to Evolve Within, where we explore science, philosophy, and the mysterious connection between the universe and your inner world. A black hole is not actually a hole, it's a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. सोचो अगर एक जगह पर इतना ज़्यादा मास भर दो जैसे पूरे सन का मास एक छोटी सी बॉल में दबा दिया जाए, उस जगह की ग्रेविटी इतनी पावरफुल हो जाएगी कि लाइट भी वापस नहीं आ सकती। वही बन जाता है ब्लैक होल। When a massive star, much bigger than our sun, runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, crushing itself into an infinitely dense point called a singularity. Singularity मतलब एक ऐसी जगह जहां मैटर इतना कंप्रेस हो गया हो कि उसका साइज 0 के बराबर हो लेकिन मास इन्फिनिट। फिजिक्स के सारे रूल्स वहां फेल हो जाते हैं। Surrounding that singularity is the event horizon, a boundary beyond which nothing can escape. Imagine it as a cosmic point of no return. Event horizon एक invisible line होती है। अगर कोई चीज उस लाइन के अंदर चली गई तो वो कभी बाहर नहीं आ सकती, लाइट भी नहीं। To an outside observer, something falling toward a black hole would appear to freeze in time just before crossing the event horizon. But from the falling object's perspective, time flows normally until everything suddenly stops. यहाँ एक कंसेप्ट आता है, टाइम डायलेशन। आइंस्टाइन ने कहा था कि जब ग्रेविटी बहुत स्ट्रांग होती है तो टाइम स्लो हो जाता है, मतलब ब्लैक होल के पास वक्त लिटरली धीरे चलने लगता है। For decades, black holes were only theoretical, but in 2019, the impossible happened. Scientists captured the first ever photograph of a black hole using the Event Horizon Telescope. It was from a galaxy called Messier 87, 55 million light years away, a glowing orange ring surrounding a dark center. That dark center wasn't the hole itself, it was the shadow created by light, being bent and swallowed by gravity. For the first time, humanity saw the unseeable. If you orbit near a black hole, a few hours for you could mean thousands of years for someone far away. मतलब अगर आप ब्लैक होल के पास गए और वहां 3 घंटे रहे तो जब आप वापस आए शायद पूरी सिविलाइजेशन बदल चुकी हो। This is pure Einstein relativity in action. At the center of the Milky Way lies a black hole named Sagittarius A. It's a 4 million times heavier than our sun and yet completely invisible. When two black holes merge, they send gravitational waves, ripples that stretch and squeeze space itself. 2015 में LIGO ने पहली बार ये waves detect की थी। So technically, we have heard two black holes colliding, a cosmic sound older than humanity. Stephen Hawking said, black holes aren't truly black, they slowly emit faint radiation called Hawking radiation. यानी black holes धीरे धीरे अपना mass lose करते हैं और एक दिन पूरी तरह evaporate हो जाते हैं. So even darkness isn't forever. But here's the puzzle. When things fall into a black hole, where does their information go? If it's lost forever, that breaks the laws of physics. If it escapes somehow, how? This is the famous information paradox, a mystery that still confuses the smartest physicists today. If you fall into a black hole, you won't hit a surface. You will be stretched infinitely. Scientists call it spaghettification. Gravity black hole के पास इतना ज़्यादा होती है कि आपके पैर और सर पर लगने वाली फोर्स अलग अलग होती है। इस वजह से आप लंबे लंबे हो जाते हो जैसे एक स्पैगेटी। Atom by atom, you are pulled apart. But here's the twist. For people watching you from far away, you will appear to freeze in time, while you yourself fall instantly. Two realities happening together. Mind-blowing. Maybe black holes aren't monsters, maybe they are teachers, reminding us that even darkness has its own story. Even when everything seems to vanish, a faint light, a trace, a whisper always remains. Just like us, when we go through our darkest phases, there's always a little spark of hope. Our own Hawking radiation that keeps us alive, evolving, and learning from the unknown. Because the universe outside is vast, but the one within you is even deeper. If this journey through the darkness made you think, made you feel, then subscribe and join Evolve Within, while science meets soul and knowledge meets wonder. Because to truly understand the universe, you must first evolve within. Thank you.